The X18 Ultralight briefcase display is small in size but big on impact. At 5 pounds and 18 inches high, our X18 is the perfect display for college expos, job fairs, small group meetings, and face-to-face presentations. The exterior of all Ultralight X briefcase displays are constructed of a rigid ABS thermoform plastic. Graphic panels are attached with Velcro and are quickly and easily updated to meet all your presentation needs. A Velcro closure ensures that the panels stay closed during transport, keeping your graphics safe and contained. The canvas carrying bags are made of a waterproof material. The full side pockets can hold the table cover and header, and there's plenty of room for extra graphics. The canvas bag allows for hands-free carrying of your entire display kit. The patented Ultralight X displays are the nation's leading lightweight self-contained tabletop display series. They include a lifetime warranty and are all made in the USA. Ultralight X, it's an open and shut case.